Let me share. Let me share a soap story with you. When I started pursuing goals 15 years ago, um, I wasn't sure of anything. I just knew that I've got my chartered accountancy articles. I'm well trained. I've been rotated in all departments from bookkeeping, forensics, internal audit, and whatever. So I've got the knowledge. You know what I'm saying? And I'm starting this thing during the worst moment of my life. Uh, my father had just passed away in 2009. Paid his funeral with my credit card. That I didn't think of covering. Lessons learned. Okay, then I'm talking to my brother, whom we served articles with government company, and I think back then he was working for SARS, and he said no, just wait for me to resign here. I'm gonna come for you and we'll start this company. And I was like, okay, cool, cool, bro. But my father has just died, and I can no longer wait for you. You see? So I kept on calling them, my CA friend. Hey, what's up? Have you resigned yet? I'm still waiting for you. He said, no, I haven't resigned yet. Relax, boss. No, he's wasting my time, and perhaps I should start this process